May humihingi ng advice dito. Sabi niya, my boyfriend, 24 years old, and I have been together for 3 months. He's a good guy naman. May konting issues pero nothing serious. And I think I can tolerate them. One time, napag-usapan namin ang mga ex namin. I showed him my ex's Instagram and then he showed me his ex-girlfriend's Instagram. Both of us came from healthy breakups. I know for a fact na straight ako. Pero simula nung nakita ko yung pictures ng ex niya, hindi na mawala sa isip ko yung face niya. She's really pretty. Hawig niya si Alexandra Saint, pero mas singkit. Minsan napapanaginipan ko pa siya, which really confuses me. And then my despedida party, ang college friend ng boyfriend ko. I went there kasi sinama ako ng boyfriend ko and his friend invited me rin. Nagulat ako kasi she was there too. At first, hindi pa ako sure kung siya nga ba. Pero after a few seconds it clicked. Siya nga. My boyfriend gave her a small nod and a quick smile. She did the same, pati sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit mas kinabahan pa ako na nandoon siya kaysa sa boyfriend ko. The whole night, napapansin kong lagi siyang tinitignan. Hindi ko rin maintindihan pero parang nagdagdagan na 50% yung happiness ko knowing na she was there too. Napansin ng boyfriend ko at mga friends niya na parang wala ako sa sarili, uneasy daw ako, and namumula pa yung face ko for some reason. I ended up gaslighting them and even myself, saying it was just because of the alcohol. Ang iniisip nila, tinitignan ko raw siya kasi baka worried ako na she's there or baka nagsiselos lang ako. And they kept comforting me and telling me na ako ang present. So, I shouldn't worry. Pero honestly, wala naman akong iniisip na ganon. Tinitignan ko lang talaga siya kasi ang pretty at hot niya sa suot niya. And after that night, never na talaga siyang nawala sa isip ko. I tried opening this up to my sisters and to my friends, pero sinabi lang nila na baka insecure lang daw ako or baka nagsiselos lang. I think you are interpreting this in a wrong way. From what I've heard doon sa nagkukwento, she is attracted. Attracted in a way na andun yung signs eh. Namumula siya, nagbablush siya, hindi niya makalimutan, so on and so forth. Now, when we speak about attraction, especially sexual attraction, ang madalas sa pumapasok sa isip natin is that when we have those kinds of thoughts, especially hindi sa partner natin, tinitignan at kagad natin ito as masama. Diba? But, like what I said before, the darkness that is part of us is not necessarily or inherently masama. It's telling us something, a need, a primitive need na hinahanap-hanap natin and parte siya ng kabuuan natin. Now, diba? The best part here is you could talk about this to your boyfriend. And the best part there is that you could make an arrangement depende sa kung ano yung mapag-uusapan yung tatlo. Magiging happy ka? Diba? Malalaman mo yung mga what ifs mo. And most likely, magiging happy din ang boyfriend mo! And of course, kung gusto nung ex-girlfriend niya, all three of you could be happy in whatever setup you could create. Acknowledging the shadow or the sexual shadow that you will come across during your relationship is the best thing that you could do para maiwasan nyo yung infidelity or cheating sa isa't isa. Granted that you are not going to punish the truth, lalo na kung nagpaka-vulnerable yung partner nyo sa inyo para lang aminin yung ganong dark secrets na tumatakbo sa isip nila. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards your goal. Have a good day.